will need 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 cup milk, 5 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 cup heavy cream, 1.5 teaspoons vanilla extract, half teaspoon kosher salt, and 3 tablespoons cornstarch. Place the brown sugar on low heat and add the cornstarch and salt. Whisk together to combine evenly. Raise the temperature to medium heat. Pour in the milk in a slow, steady stream while continuing to whisk. Then stir in the heavy cream. Cook stirring for about 5 minutes or until the pudding has come to a simmer and thickened. Remove from the heat and add the butter and vanilla. Mix until the butter has completely melted and fully incorporated. Divide the mixture between jars of your choice. Then chill in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. Tastes best at room temperature with whipped cream and toasted pecans. Relish the butterscotch pudding.